Welcome back to Straight Outta Content. Today, I am your host, Chelly with Flash Custom Transfers. I'm going to be teaching you how to create this cool design, this cool mama design, and this cool dad design using our downloadable packs, our animal print downloadable pack. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. First thing we're going to want to do is head on over to flashcustomtransfers.com. And we have an amazing sale going on right now. We have that hat sale, 24 Richardson's 112 hats with one location embroidery for only $3.98. We do have gang sheets set up. So if you get opportunity, go ahead and go through that website and see what we got new. But for our downloadable packs, we're going to go right here to digital downloads, and we'll be working with our animal print and our black and white animal print. We've already done videos on our sparkle and shimmer sequence. If you go to our YouTube, Straight Outta Content YouTube, go to our videos, and this video right here will show you how to create using our glitter and sequence. Perfect. So both of these packs are $2.99 each. This is a PNG file. This is not a physical product. So once you purchase, you will receive a file to download all your images with the animal print and with our black and white animal print. Right here, my husband does a quick little video showing you how to create those using those patterns, and that's something that we will go into in this video. Again, you $2.99 and you will receive a link. Once you receive that link, let me show you what it would look like once it is downloaded. They will come in these little folders, black and white. You click in there and you're able to see all 20 designs. Also with our colorful animal print, click in there and you're able to see all of our colorful designs. So let's go ahead and create our designs. Here you want to hit create a design. Oh, okay, this is cool. And we're gonna go to custom size. This is for, we always want to make sure it's in inches. And for our gang sheets, 22 by 12, 22 by 24, 22 by 36, 22 by 60. And if you purchase a 22 by 120, you cannot create a gang sheet that large, but you can submit two 60s. So today we're just gonna do a 24 artboard, 22 by 24, create. All right, let's go ahead and hit uploads. I'm gonna show you how to upload your design. So you hit upload files. You would head on over to your downloads, your colorful print, and you can upload any design that you like. So we can hit that one, upload, hit this one, or you can select and hold shift on your keyboard, and it would allow you to select multiple at one time. You hit open, there they go. We're gonna do that for so that was our colorful one. So we'll head back on over to our black and white. Same thing. I'm gonna hold down shift and select a few different black and white images and open. All right, so once those are uploaded, we will go to our elements and we will hit frames. Our frames, these frames here with the hill and the cloud, this is the frames that would allow you to input any design inside of it. Any pattern, any words, any picture will show up inside of these. So we'll go ahead and start with our letter, with our love. I'm gonna change the background of this artboard to kind of show us what it looks like. Okay, perfect. So then let's go back to elements and we can we're gonna do frame V. So I'm just looking for all the frames that I wanna use. So we're gonna be doing a love. So just to kind of weed it out, frame E, perfect. So we'll just size these down a little bit, size them down a little bit. And then the fun part is we get to create whichever design we want in front of there. So let's see. So you would simply just select and hover over the frame. You see how it goes inside there? Why is it not? Okay, hover over the frame. Here we go. Or you can grab and drop over that frame. Grab and drop. So we'll do our first one using our black and white. And here we can put whatever you want to put. I know it's just kind of like a standard design. So if you want to put, I love football, you're a boy, or girls. I mean, girls like football. You can do a football. You can do basketball. I love basketball. That's kind of cool. You can do, I did a ghost on my other one. So I love ghosts. Just kind of like Halloween. And I kind of wanted to show you right here, if a color palette shows up, you're able to alter the color. So here, if I want my ghost white and I want the outline red, if I want it purple, red, and gold, anything you want, you're able to customize those. So I'm gonna put it back to black and white, and I'm going to show you an example of some that cannot be customized. So let's go ahead and hit ghost. If it has a pro, again, you need pro to be able to create these designs and export correctly. This image here, you're not able to alter the color. You can see no color palette showed up for that one. This one, there is a color palette. Let's check another one. This one does not have a color palette. This one does. So just to kind of give you an idea when you know you can alter those colors. So let's do, you want to do a ghost? I'm going to do straight out of content because this is his channel. And I'm gonna get one of his logos because I love straight out of content. I'm gonna put his here since we're using the black and white. I'm gonna go back. Let's see, should we do the cow print? Oh yeah, we did use cow print. Okay, so that's cute. I love straight out of content. I don't know how good this quality of that. Oh, that looks good. The quality of this image, but if you do use images in Canva, they will be high resolution. These frames will be high resolution and our patterns will be high resolution. So we don't have to worry about that. And like I said, any image that goes here, it will work. So this one is complete. Let's go ahead and show you how to export it correctly. So you would hit download PNG, and this is most important. You do need Canva Pro. You will put that all the way to 3.125, transparent background so it doesn't print that gray or any color that you have. We want it transparent when printing for DTF and UVDTF. We do not want to compress the file because we don't want it lower quality. And we can save the settings so it will have these settings for next time. So let's go ahead and hit download. Boom. I'm going to head on over to to Adobe Illustrator and check the resolution of this file. So like I said, I don't know the resolution of this, but I know these will be high resolution. So I'm gonna go ahead, make this about a 10 because it's so big right now. And we're gonna zoom in 300. Look at that resolution. Sharp edges, perfect high resolution cow print. The logo that was imported to Canva was high resolution, so those are good. So overall, this image is perfect to go. So let's go ahead and create some more. So I'm going to show you the inspiration of what I'm using. So we have that mom and this dad with our leopard print. I try to see what are some leopard print shirts. So these are my inspirations that I'm going to be using. We'll create something like this and something like that for mom and dad. Again, we're going to head on over to Element and Frames. Let's check in here. We're going to do our mama first. I like this frame. It reminds me of a good splotch in the back. And then I'm going to use classic leopard. Perfect. It's already coming together so well. And we're gonna do mama. Text box, I'm gonna do MA, and I'm gonna just do one side for now, just so I'm able to duplicate it perfect. MA, and then let's find our lightning bolt. Again, you can do whatever you wanna do. This is just creation, showing you how to create in Canva. This lightning bolt, you're able to alter the color, so I just wanna show you that. You can alter the color with this. You do need Canva Pro, but I don't want that one. I'm gonna show you the lightning bolt that I do want. Lightning bolt. I like, which one did I use? This one? Yes, this is the lightning bolt that I like. And be careful because it will try to take the background. It thinks you're hovering over the image, but we're not. We don't need that, Canva, thank you. Okay. Center this, or it doesn't even have to be centered. It can be whatever you want. So let's work on this Ma. I did use, what did I use font for this? I used, was it this font? I think it was that font. Okay, either way, that's fine. So we'll do this font, and to me, it kind of smushes together. So I'm gonna jazz that up a little bit. I'm gonna go to Effects, hit Outline, and we can make this outline any color we want. White pops it. If you want to do pink, purple, blue, anything like that. I'm gonna just keep it simple, white. I don't need nothing fancy. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this. If you hit this duplicate button, it's just gonna make it perfectly perfect. And you see that purple line? That shows that it is perfectly straight together. I mean, across from each other. Another thing I want to do is I want to bring this lightning bolt forward where it goes in front of the Ma, not in back of it. So we would just right click, layer, bring to the front. So you see now it's in the front of it. Just a little effect, just a little effect. All right, so then that one is complete. And then we're gonna just do real quick pop of airs. All you want to do is, again, we're going to hit frames because you need frames to fill in your digital downloads. I'm going to do this one, just something simple. Uploads. Again, we're going to do our classic leopard, hover over that, and then we're going to just put dad in there. D-A-D, so little. And it can be any font that you want. If you want to do dad like that, I'm going to do, which one did I use? Oh, that one's kind of cool. Dad. Oh, I like that one. And then we'll make it, are we able to change? Yep, we're able to change the color. Highlight white. Are we doing white? Are we doing black? What are we doing? What are we doing? We can do black. So I'm gonna put on a black t-shirt. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, Papa. Let's put this on a black t-shirt. Okay, so let's go ahead and download these. I think I can actually, let me see if I can outline these in white. Oh, I can. Yeah, I guess so. So let's go ahead and download these. I've already downloaded the first one, so I just want to download the second and third one. So we're going to hit PNG 3.125, transparent background, not that one. And I'm going to select 2 and 3. Gracias. All right, and then we're going to head on over to AI to get those in. Let me just drag those in. You know what? That's not the correct way. We're gonna do open. We'll open both of these. Okay, so I'm gonna just drag this here. Where's my other one? Drag this here. Make it smaller. I'm just gonna make it smaller just so we can take a good look at it. So any image that you create in Canva, if you use their stock images, it's going to be high resolution automatically. If you upload images that are not high resolution, it will not be high resolution. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom in 300 and check the resolution of these bad boys. Look how sharp these edges are. The leopard print is high resolution. Those are our PNG downloadable packs. This font is high resolution. Let's head on over to Mama. Beautiful. Look how sharp. Look how sharp. Everything is so sharp. And then head on over to Sharp Cow Print. Straight out of content. Everything is high resolution and ready to be on a gang sheet. You definitely would need to trim these down to get that dead space out. We're not working on that today, but we will do that in another video. This is a 22 by 36 gang sheet. You can just layer them on there. Again, we would need to take out the dead space, but this is how you would set up a gang sheet using our digital downloads. Let's go ahead again. They are right here at the top, digital download packs, and you're able to do that with our glitter, our sequence, and we have Selena. We have all other kind of digital downloads for you. Let's head on over here, and I'm gonna do real quick with the sequence just to show you while we have it up. Oh, okay, a heart. Upload. So let me just find this is where we do all our thumbnails. The sequence. Okay, gold. Here we go. We just put it in there, and then you have your gold, your sequence, your purple. So it's the same concept, just with sequence. So this is how you can use your downloadable packs. Again, they are only $2.99 per gang sheet. I'm sorry, per pack. And if you have any questions, you can visit us at flashcustomtransfers.com, or if you would like to email us, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you would like to message us for flash graphics, for any embroidery effect, logo creation, vectored images, background removal, you can contact us at flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. Bye.